Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of drawing angles. This is standard 4.7D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 18 of the 2024 released STAAR test. This is a new item type called inline choice, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so inline choice, we've got 2 points here. And so let's do this. Let's just answer one. Just want to show you that if you only answer one, it will give you a warning message saying you have not answered everything. All right, so let's see what we're doing here. Clayton is going to use a protractor, right, to construct an angle that measures 85 degrees. He first draws ray PQ as shown. Now, how can we draw 85 degrees? Well, we've got some options here. Let's see. If we've got PQ, right, so that actually is very, very helpful because when you're drawing an angle, it's helpful if you can get one of the rays to be on that zero line, that horizontal line, because then that just makes the other one really simple. Now, this is going to be an angle that opens to the right, so that horizontal line is going to represent 0. We want the inside numbers. Okay, so we're looking at our inside numbers, and it looks like, right, it looks like that 85 is going to be right around there. Okay, so I'm going to just draw a line, pretend this is a straight line, and we're going to go like right through there, because that's my 85. Now you notice the trick here, right, is that if I were counting the outside, right, that's actually, right, 95 if I was counting the outside, from there, but I wouldn't count the outside because my ray would have to go over here. If I were to have my ray to the left, then I can count that outside, right? So that S looks correct. So the other side of this is if you see an 85 right here, you see that T right there? If I were to draw that line right there to go through T, that's the outside. 85, well, that's going to be greater than a 90-degree angle. That's actually going to be, it's right there between 90 and 100. This is actually 95 degrees. So that's the only trick with a problem like this, is you want it, let's go ahead and just clean that up here. And you know what, I'm going to make it smaller grid size so we can do as close to a straight line as possible. We're doing the inside arc, so we're starting at 0. And we want to go, there we go. We want it to go through S right there. And I know my line doesn't start at point P, but it has to start at one of the intersections there, so it doesn't quite get there. Let's see if I can get the intersection. There we go. All right. So it looks like I'm just going to start at P, and I'm just going to move up through S. So let's see what my options are here. I'm going to keep that just in case I need it. Complete the sentence by selecting the correct answers from the drop-down menus. To complete the 85-degree angle, Clayton should draw another ray. So he's already got the one from P to Q. That starts at point, where are we starting from? Where did we start from? Because those are just all of the points. I started at P, right, because that's going to be the center point. So my angle is going to be right here. I need to connect it. My angle that I'm actually measuring is right inside. So I have to start at the same starting point of the other ray. So I need to start at P. And then where did I end up? Well, I went from P and I passed through. I didn't stop. I passed through. I went to point S. If I can get that other one to be point S, let's see. Make sure that works. Start at point P, passes through point S. There we go. 2-point problem. This is how you get full credit.